A bird update for you this morning. That's one of the geese. I have seen the two. And we got loads. There's one of the goslings right over there. In fact, both the goslings are right over there. Loads and loads and loads of mallards. Sorry about that, but I nearly tripped. Loads of mallards, loads of them. And there's some babies there. And I have seen the baby tufties. There's a coot. Another coot over there. There's a baby coot. Don't know if this will zoom in. Look how big the baby coots have got. Look, baby mallard. And mum. And there's another one. And I have seen the tufties, but they're diving. Oh, there's 3 baby mallards. Can I get them? 1. Mum. Can't forget the other. A couple of the baby tufties. I'm not sure how many they are because they dive around so quickly. Dive around. Another pair of mallards, babies. And there are 4 more over there. Swimming about, happy as Larry.